Stop scrolling and picture this. You wake up on a random Tuesday, hear the ocean a block away, flip open a battered laptop, press one key, and watch overnight sales notifications flood your inbox before your coffee finishes. Dripping yet 15 months earlier. Your checking account balance was 2 digits, and your boss spelled your name wrong in group emails. Today, I'm challenging you to play through that transformation in real time by making 7. For cut-in-the-road decisions during this video, decisions that determine whether you end the month still hustling for overtime or booking one-way tickets with points you earned while you slept. So lean in. It's how you in right now if you actually answered the 7 prompts. I'll heart every comment in the first hour and pick 3 viewers to review their answers in a follow-up video. Scene 1, Day 1. Your paycheck lands Friday, $1, $248 after tax. Option A, autopay, Netflix, Impulse, Uber Eats. Promise yourself you'll budget Monday. Option B, pull 10% into a high-yield savings app before you even see it. Then split another 10% into a brand new brokerage auto-invest for VTI. Which do you pick, A or B? Slam it in chat with emoji, or if you chose B, you just planted the seed for compounding returns. While option A sets up next week's regret. Scene 2, Day 3. TikTok suggests a printable meal plan side hustle. Option A, keep scrolling too saturated. Option B, open ChatGPT and type, give me 20 micro niches no one's serving. GPT spits low sodium plans for cardiac patients. Diabetic carb exchange grid, college dorm microwave meal chart. Pick one, comment heart, carbs, or dorm. The majority vote decides which product ILL build live on Thursday's stream. So sharing this video with team dorm mates literally shapes next episode. Scene 3, Day 7. You've designed your first 3 printable pages in Canva, but Etsy listings still intimidate. Option A, tuck files into a dusty desktop folder. Option B, list them ugly and dearly. Price at $3.97. Announce on Instagram stories using the shaky selfie approach. If you choose B type listed below, everyone who does gets entered for a free thumbnail makeover. ILL perform on camera in 48 hours. Option A, players must watch the replay to learn what ugly money feels like. Scene 4, Day 10. First customer message pings. Do you have a gluten-free variant? Option A, freeze and imposter syndrome. Promise soon. Option B, reply, give me 48 hours early adopter discount. Then prompt Midjourney for pastel gluten-free icons. Duplicate your template and upsell at $7.99. Choose B. Comment GF and watch tomorrow's poll where I post your exact response. Copy-pasted most liked reply wins a 101 critique. Mid-video checkpoint, pause, screenshot your 4 answers so far, share to IG and tag at MoneyLoopAI. I'll repost every tag in my story, highlight 02 laptop. Driving explorers, back to this video. Yes, I'm bribing you to help the algorithm by showcasing your own progress. Scene 5, Day 15. You've made 8 sales. Gumroad deposit $47.36 hits. Option A, celebrate with fancy sushi. Option B, buy a domain heartmealplens.com, a $12 Canva Pro trial. Slap a link in bio website, embed my latest YouTube playlist on the homepage so every organic visitor loops views back here. Option B, choosers type domain, done. I'll DM my 2-minute DNS cheat sheet. Scene 6, Day 21. Pinterest idea pins reach 6K impressions. Option A, ignore analytics. Option B, open Google Sheets. Track impressions versus clicks versus sales. Color code green numbers. Set KPI 10% click to site. That sheet turns into the exact template ILL giveaway in the end screen. If the video passes 1,000 likes by midnight, share to make it happen. Scene 7, Day 30. Your profit tally sits at $326.48. Option A, withdraw to buy new AirPods. Option B, reinvest. 50% into Facebook lookalike ads, 25% into Midjourney. Credits for seasonal product spin-offs, 25% into a Blue Yeti mic. So your next live webinar sounds pro, comment reinvest, if B. The top B commenters appear on a leaderboard. I'll reveal in next week's player stats video, instant reason to return. Now scroll back. How many Bs did you select? 4 of 7. 6 of 7. Post your score with hashtag Laptop Life. I'm tracking the distribution for a community post and emailing custom next steps to everyone over 5/7 via my free X sheet. Link below is the funnel is deliberate, but it means you'll actually move forward, not just feel motivated. Let us tie the loop. Subscribe and hit bell because Thursday, I build the followers' chosen micro-niche product live and reveal sales real time. Binge the 02 laptop playlist on screen now to cement each decision. Like if interactive choose-your-own videos beat lecture style. And share this with a friend who always plans to start Monday. Make them choose publicly. Together we'll replay this episode next month, stacking new forks, proving progress, and watching our comment count turn into a timeline of action. Money Loop out. See you at the next fork. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.